Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking for a SmartScout coupon code, I have a great deal to share with you. Right now, you can get 25% off for the first 3 months on your SmartScout subscription. To claim the offer, simply use the coupon code all coupon codes during checkout. Now, let me show you how to claim the discount. First, click the special link in the description below. Once the page opens, you'll be taken to the SmartScout website with the exclusive offer. From there, choose the subscription plan that works best for you and click the Try Now button. You'll then be redirected to the Sign Up page. Simply fill out the registration form and click Submit. If you use the special link, the promotion may already be connected to your checkout. If it isn't, don't worry. During checkout, look for the coupon code field and enter all coupon codes. Click Apply, and you should see 25% off for the first 3 months reflected in your order summary. Before completing your purchase, take a quick look at the subscription summary and make sure the discount has been applied successfully. If everything looks good, complete your payment and you're all set. That's it. If you're planning to use SmartScout for Amazon product research, competitor analysis, or finding profitable opportunities, there's no reason to pay the full price when you can save 25% for the first 3 months. You'll find the special discount link, along with the coupon code all coupon codes in the description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the All Coupon Codes channel, and I'll see you in the next video.